We have covered ship brokering. Let's talk about ship chartering. So, can you explain a bit more about ship chartering today? And then we can go into little bit more details.
You mean like the truck one or the ship one?
Sure, ship one, but in as simple format as possible. So,
Okay.
we'll talk about only two charters. There is a time charter and voyage charter.
Okay.
So, I've got a truck. You are a builder.
Okay, done. You're a truck, I'm the builder, and you don't want to take the risk of carrying those bricks.
No, I will be carrying.
Then it is the voyage charter for you.
See, I'm carrying from Dehradun to Delhi. So, this is a voyage
This
charter.
is the voyage charter. You're getting money paid for carrying so many bricks on your truck.
From Dehradun to Delhi.
How many hours you take or days you take is your business. Yeah, you're just carrying it, you get paid for 5,000 bricks, whatever.
Sir, you are a constructor, big constructor. You are living in Dehradun, but you have got a big construction site working in Delhi. Done, sir? So,
Correct.
आपके पास you have got all these people out here, brick, cement guys out here. You have got all the things out here, and you have to send it to Delhi for the construction site. You call me, say कि okay, I am taking your truck for next 1 month. Every day I'll pay you 10,000 bucks. This truck is mine. I will take care of the truck, but these things have to be transported there.
Time charter.
This is time charter. Now, I say कि भैया ये सारी bricks you have to send it over there from Dehradun to Delhi and I will pay you this much. जब ये सारा काम हो जाएगा, once all this is done, or I'll pay you some advance and then later on.
Now, who is the brick guy?
Brick guy, you are the brick guy. Yeah, you are the contractor.
And you are the
Owner, truck
owner. So I tell you, I want you to take my bricks there.
Yes.
All the bricks there.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you charge me a lump sum price for carrying all.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's voyage charter.
That's voyage charter. So from here to there, I am paying you, and it can be per ton, it can be
Anything.
and per day also.
Let's
Something.
say I have a department which can manage the trucks very well because I've got a lot of bricks to be carried. Then I'll tell you, give me the ship on daily hire. I'll tell him, give me the ship for daily hire. I take 10-15 ships. My people manage those. My people manage those trucks, and my cargo is transported under my responsibility. Your job is to make sure your truck is functioning well.
Functioning well.
That's it.
So as a truck owner,
I
my
will
job.
also pay the bunkers. I'll pay.
Bunkers, oil you will pay. You will pay for the driver also. Everything.
No.
No driver.
is
also.
your responsibility.
Driver is my responsibility.
Captain is your responsibility.
Captain is my
Crew
responsibility.
is your responsibility.
So you are paying for all the oil,
Lubricating
everything.
oil is your responsibility.
Lube oil is my responsibility.
Diesel I will pay.
Diesel you. So only fuel oil is your responsibility.
Yes.
And maybe truck drivers khana pina.
No, that's your responsibility.
That is also my responsibility. So I'll put it again. So in a voyage charter, if my truck is going from this place to this place, I am paying. The truck owner is paying for the maintenance of the truck. If something goes wrong in between,
Truck owner is responsible.
yes, I am paying for the salary of the truck driver and ensuring that my truck is in safe condition all the
You're
time,
also
proper
paying
maintenance.
the insurance for the truck.
Yeah, insurance for the truck also. I'm paying.
Everything you pay.
So you are paying for the diesel, and you are paying me the lump sum money.
As the time charterer, if I am taking your ship on so many dollars per day or so many rupees per day, then I am responsible for the diesel. But if you are doing lump sum carrying my bricks to another place, you are taking that contract, which is voyage charter, you are paying for everything. For the truck's maintenance, for diesel oil, lubricating oil, everything. You
Okay.
pay. My responsibility is, my friend, I want the bricks to be transported from A to B. Don't ask me anything else. And I pay you so many rupees.
Understood, sir.